Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CLF. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these green and red line annotations are coming from. But want to get some things updated here as the chart had another nice day, and there's updates that certainly need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is just a little house cleaning. I'm going to go ahead and delete that line there. Sure, it's still pertains to the chart, but it's not really relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter and lines all over the place. So we just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that needs to be made comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, I talked about 695 as resistance, but now that the price is broken up above it, this would be the newest area of support for the chart. Now, as far as more so kind of an overall area of support going forward to measure the health of the current move, this right here being defined as the move. So if you want to, like I said, measure the health of that, watch that purple line right here, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a very simplistic viewpoint, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control, however you can best visualize that. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, nothing new here to report compared to yesterday's video. As I talked about, that pink line there was going to be the level to keep an eye on, and I'm not patting myself on the back, but definitely patting charts on the back. And surprise, surprise, this is what makes me laugh when people say charts don't work. What a coincidence where the price just seemingly kind of got slowly pushed downwards right below that pink line. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying the price cannot break through that pink line. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price did struggle today where it did from a resistance standpoint. So that pink line there, 200-period simple moving average, remains priority number one in terms of resistance levels. All in all, though, as long as the price keeps on building higher lows like it's been doing, the chart's going to continue to take care of itself. So we will see what tomorrow brings. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.